How to remove a payment card on Woolworths. So if you want to remove a payment card from Woolworths, then first of all you need to head over to any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Woolworths. Head over to the very first site. You will be landing on the official page of Woolworths. Now first of all you have to log into a specific account. In order to do that, tap on My Account at the top right corner. Enter your email address associated with your account and then simply enter the password that you have created before. If you want them to remember, click on Remember Me and then click on Login. You will be logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, the next thing you want to do is move into your profile at the top right corner and then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into Payment Method. In the section of Payment Method, you will see all the list of the card that you have added for the payment. Simply click on the specific card that you want to remove. Once you click on the card, your detailed information will be visible to you. And at the bottom, you will also get to see the option of Delete. Click on it. For the confirmation, once again click on Delete and then you'll be good to go. So, that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove a payment card on Woolworths. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.